But this part should be done today.
Yeah.
You got some horses with you.
Yeah. I had a few other things he was doing, so.
Yeah. Now I found a place that does the free soil. Yeah. Well, I was telling you about the filler, I guess it's called, and dudes in Oxon Hill, and the last response he had was how much you need, and I told him, I said 30 by 60 by 30, 3 inches deep.
Yeah, that'll do.
And I haven't heard from him, so.
A lot of square footage right there.
Huh?
He probably thought you was just trying to fill some flower pots or something.
Nah, it looked like it was a construction site.
Oh, yeah?
But you know, my thing is any little bit of help. I mean, if he has X amount to give to me,
Right.
then
It'll take from whatever you
exactly. And if I keep hitting up a bunch of free places, then there we go.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna hit him back today, and I'm just gonna say, how much do you have to give me? I mean, if yeah, he asked me where was I, so it sounded like delivery. Yeah.
You definitely gonna be there.
He had asked me, I'm not sure about how much. I don't know if he said what kind of load do you need or something he said. So, but square footage, this is what about, it looks like about 500 square feet. Yeah, because my garage is 528. This is a little bigger.
You got no air pump in there?
Nah. The little nozzle thing broke. Yeah, it's not flat. It's just that's a lot of weight, I believe. Yeah, that wheelbarrow done had it. Nah, it's cracking too soon. I wonder if I can get another bucket for it. You know, just add a bucket, because it's the bucket that's bad. I'm gonna look up the model and see if I can find another bucket. So what else are we looking at today? Just the removal?
Yeah, I'm not probably. Chop up some stuff.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. All right, so.
I was gonna phone you yesterday.
Yeah. Yeah, and today was actually a gorgeous day. It's supposed to hit 80, but I don't think it got that high.
It's still too hot. Everything confused. Trees, plants, me.
Bugs. Yeah, it's supposed to be a 40-degree dip tomorrow night, I believe. Tomorrow night's supposed to get back down to like 40. So enjoy this day while you can. Okay. Yeah, it's going smooth though. It's going smooth.
I know you had doubt.
Yeah, a little bit. Well, that's just my personality. I'm always on 100. You know, I'm going 100 miles an hour. Yeah. I was telling my boy I said my biggest problem is I'm always multitasking in my head. He says, you know, I got to stick to one project at a time. I said, man, I got 5 projects going on in my head at once.
That's why I be laughing at that.
Yeah.
Go to sleep tonight when you come back tomorrow.
Yeah, and that's the bad part about it, man. As I'm going to sleep, man, ideas are just flooding my head, and yeah, because I see it a different way, and then, you know, when I step away, all of a sudden another vision will hit me, and I'm like, oh, I can do it this way. All right. Day 4.
Yeah, can you hear me? Oh, okay, good.
Yeah, I didn't go with Monday. That's the thing.
You're looking at this right here. Some areas, it was 2 of these stacked on top of each other. That's how much asphalt. This is probably the 4th load that's come out of here. Bigger trailer.
Yeah, he did go to work Monday. Oh, no. Yeah, he went to work Monday.
It's coming together, fellas. It's coming together.
I was gonna go back up and holler at Bill, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it or not.
We can garden is back. Just a little wrap up of today. This is the 4th day. Not consistent 4th day, but the 4th day that they have worked on redoing my man cave. So all that was done today was the remainder of the asphalt that was here. And they got a lot of the big chunks. You know, there's some little chunks here, but I'm not concerned with that. So next step is rototilling. And then after that, I'm going to see if I can have some soil brought in. But we're actually down to the dirt now. So this was a big endeavor. What I was telling John was I'm going to stop the garden probably right here. And just go along, stop it. That way I'll be able to get my riding more back and forth through the yard without hitting a gate. So that's what we're going to do. So my garden is not going to be this big, but more than likely I'm going to leave a space so I can get my machinery in here. I may plant some stuff on the outside of the garden that I know that won't get attacked by animals, something that maybe mint in a pot, something like that. But it's not going to be a animal favorite that I'm going to put here. So we're moving along. Today is, what's today? Today is February 23rd. So my goal is to have all this done by April. It's a big endeavor, but we're going to get it done. Because by that time all my starts should be nice size. Okay, stay tuned.